Welcome to planetcourse.com. Today we learn how to make a new user in Drupal. Now when we install Drupal, we get this login area for the administrator, and when we log in, we get access to these four links. Administrator is the main link where we administer the complete site. We get one more link, that is create content, from where we can create content of the site. Okay, now to make a new user, we have a link. Before I go any further, let me clarify one thing. The login area for the administrator and the members is the same. When I was learning Drupal, when I started learning Drupal, I was in a real dilemma that this login area shows user login. Now this is the login area for the administrator, as well as in case if this is the login area for the administrator, why do we have these two links here, create new account and request new password? So this states that this is the login area, this login area is also for the particular member registering to your site. When we click on create new account, we get these two text fields. What we'll do today in this tutorial is we'll make few users in Drupal. Now when I click on create new account, I get the text field username. I'll make a user with name user1, and I'll type in the email address as user1@planetcourse.com. so the user1 will receive an email at his inbox, in his mailbox. He will get a link. On clicking that link, the account would get activated, and where in that link he will get two text boxes where he will type in his password, and he can log in from this particular window. This is how the Drupal user management works. This is how a user can register himself. Now me being the administrator, I will create a new account from the administrator. As if you are the admin, you have the rights of creating a user yourself. What we'll do is under user management, you can click on users where all the users would be listed. Right now we just have admin, which is you yourself. We'll make a new user with name user1 at planetghost.com. I'll keep the password as user1. When I create new account, a new account has got created. Now when I click on list users, I will get my user. I can see that user which has just got created. Now I will log in as this user. Now let me repeat this thing. We have the same login area for the administrator and the user using the site, but the rights for the administrator and this particular member is obviously different. The user won't get the access to that administer link and create content link. He is just a registered member to the site. He can just visit this site and do stuff. If I want to assign him stuff as the administrator, I can grant few rights to the user who can do stuff in the site. But if no matter how many users get created, they won't get the access that administrator gets. Okay, I believe this is it for today's tutorial. I will continue further in the next tutorial. Thank you.